Do you know that if your rent is still subsisting and your landlord decides to sell that property, he cannot order you to take a refund of the remainder of your unexpired rent and vacate the premises? No, he doesn't have such power. If your rent is still subsisting and your landlord sells the property, you have a right to remain in that property until the expiration of your tenancy. Let's take, for instance, that you paid your rent in January and your landlord decides to sell that property in February. He cannot ask you to take a remainder of your unexpired rent and vacate the premises. No, you have a right to remain in that premises until the expiration of your tenancy. If your rent is still subsisting and your landlord has sold that property, he should come to you to negotiate. The landlord cannot order you to accept the remainder of your unexpired rent and vacate the premises merely because he has sold the property. The person who is buying that property is buying both asset and liability. I hope you find this insightful and helpful. Keep watching Law Synopsis. I'll see you in our next episode.